on.
Okay, ready? Here it comes.
Go get it.
Get the ball.
Okay, throw it to Dad.
Okay, throw it to me. Okay. Now I'll throw it to you.
Oh.
Okay, get the ball. Now come throw it to me. Thank you. Okay. Are you ready to catch it? Okay.
That wasn't a very good throw.
Okay, throw it to me. Okay.
Good throw, Carolyn girl.
Okay, ready? Here it comes.
Oh. Get the ball. Oh, to Mommy. Okay. Oh, whoa, you kicked it.
Oh, hey.
Do you want to do kicking? You can do kicking, but you have to put the ball on the floor.
Whoa, uh-oh. You fell down, that's right.
Are you going to do kicking now or throwing? Kick it away from your dollhouse, honey. Kick it towards Mommy. Whoa! Good kick. Okay, do a big kick. Okay, how about a kick? Let's see. That was a kick, huh?
No, don't do that.
Now where's the ball? No. We never reach that way. If we want to get it, we'll have to go down the stairs.
Mommy.
Oh, you think maybe Mommy will go get it for you? Could you say hello to my camera? Wait, no.
Whoa.
Hello.
Bing, bing, bing.
Do you have any songs to sing?
Mary.
You fell down.